Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part 23 from our intermediate flat parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, part 23 is in many ways also a new shape like part 21 was. Now with this shape, it's going to be, I guess, similar to the pie shape that we covered in our basic section, but you can set the outer and inner distance this time. So you can create a bit more of like a, I don't know what you call it, a shell or some sort. But anyways, if we go to the flat parts here to just go check it out, so we go to P23, open this up, we can see we've got 3 different values to choose from. Now we've got R1, which we can see this arrow points all the way to the outside ring. We've got R2, which is the inside ring, and then we've got U, which is the degree amount. So on the side here, R1, R2, and U. Now obviously something to keep in mind, R2 cannot be larger than R1 or R1 smaller than R2. So let's just set this quick. I'm going to make this about 250. Let's make this one about 180, and then let's go about 90. I'll go 95 just so we don't take a full round number. P23, I'm going to leave it at that. Let's quickly preview it, see what it looks like. Here we go, we've got a nice little shell coming along here, and like I said, it is a combination. You can almost have the pie, and then they basically use a circle to do a cutout on the inside. But yeah, so let's go add 1, so add, and then we add this to our actual canvas, and if it'll fit in there. Yeah, cool. So let's rearrange this a bit. And then we put this one in here just to start making some space. But yeah, so that is it on part 23, I think I said. And like I said, it is basically a combination of a pie and a circle, with a circle doing a cutout, and the pie you can set the degree amount. But yeah, otherwise that is it on it. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.